Dear students of class 10th, Assalamu alaikum. In the last lesson, we have discussed about aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. You know what is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is process of releasing energy from glucose using oxygen. Aerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? Process of releasing energy from glucose without using oxygen. Products of aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration also you studied. Products of aerobic respiration are carbon dioxide, water and energy. Products of anaerobic respiration are ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. And another respiration that takes place in our muscle cells during heavy exercise or hard work. Muscle cells do not get enough oxygen. So it is difficult to release energy from glucose aerobically because oxygen is inefficient or it is not enough for releasing energy from glucose within the muscle cells. Even then, muscle cells need energy to work. Even though it is not releasing from the glucose due to lack of oxygen. That time muscle cells try to release energy anaerobically. When anaerobic respiration takes place in muscle cells, the product is lactic acid. Accumulation of lactic acid causes muscle cramp. So anaerobic respiration also take place in muscle cells when there is lack of oxygen in the muscle cells during heavy exercise or hard work. So you got three ways of releasing energy from glucose. One is aerobic respiration, one is anaerobic respiration, another one is anaerobic respiration in muscle cells, in the lack of oxygen. What are the equations of these three types of releasing energy from glucose? Equation of releasing energy from glucose. In aerobic respiration, first glucose convert into pyruvate. Glucose convert into pyruvate. Glucose is a 6-carbon molecule and pyruvate is a 3-carbon molecule. Then this process is called glycolysis. Glycolysis takes place in cytoplasm. Then pyruvate enter into mitochondria. Within mitochondria, pyruvate convert into carbon dioxide, water and energy. So equation is glucose gives pyruvate, gives carbon dioxide, water plus energy. Aerobic respiration equation is glucose gives pyruvate, gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Anaerobic respiration equation is glucose gives pyruvate, gives ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Anaerobic respiration in muscle cells equation is glucose gives pyruvate, gives lactic acid plus energy. You got 3 equations. The releasing of energy take place in cells, inside the cells. The energy released during cellular respiration is used to produce, synthesize ATP molecules. Energy storing molecules are called ATP molecules. Adenosine triphosphate. And this energy stored in ATP molecules used to carry out other activities in the cell. Another way we can say to fuel all other activities in the cell. To become fuel for all other activities in the cell. So energy from ATP is used to carry out all other activities in the cell. That time ATP is broken down and a fixed amount of energy is released. And this energy is used to carry out endothermic reactions inside the cell. What is endothermic reaction? Reactions which absorb heat, which absorb energy. Especially heat energy is called endothermic reaction. So ATP from ATP energy is released. That energy is used to drive endothermic reactions inside the cell. I hope you could understand this lesson. Before concluding, I give you a question. Question is, write the equation of aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration in muscle cells. I repeat, write the equation of aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration in muscle cells. I conclude. Assalamu alaikum.